Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can play Dandy's World on Roblox. This is just a short walkthrough because I'm not going to be doing all the machines because this game scares me. I just get like easily scared in any games. So I'm playing as Poppy. This is my health skills, movement speed, stamina, stealth, and extraction speed. Obviously there are other tunes, but I don't have one right now, so we're going to be playing as Poppy. I don't have any ability yet, but hopefully I'll have it. Okay, this is the first floor in 3, 2, 1. So you basically need to I think complete 4 machines. Like, why am I not walking? And don't get caught by the monsters, so to run, just press shift. I'm just trying to find where the machines are. Oh my god, how is there a monster there already? Oh, what? Oh my god, I'm dead. Well, you need to complete machines. I'm dead. Oh my god, I still can kind of run away from it, but I don't have like a lot of stamina. Okay, well, you can, I guess, run using the free staminas here and just hide from the monster. Okay, this is the first machine. You just need to press E and press space to skill check, but they can hear you. That's pretty much it. I'm not going to do the full walkthrough because I only have 1 life left anyways. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It is much easier if you have friends playing with you. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.